igual que mi hermana.
I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. I spread my wings and fly away.
Bom dia, Turende presente. Welcome everyone. Bom mini awe sa itabata tremendo chegada de nosso atleta na junto com o brass band The Boys. Um aplauso para nang. Um feliz dia na Turende aqui na presente awe. Para presenciar a apertura oficial de Special Olympics Kingdom Games. E me quero conhecer a presença de Gezagheber Noli Oliana, deputado de Deporte Clark Abraham e também deputado Angélica Cecília. Nós membros do Conselho Insular que está presente e também representante do OLB VWS Special Olympics e bom mini especial na turnos visitantes de nos Isla Rumang. Nos Isla Nang Rumang. A special welcome to all visitors. Awe é um dia hope especial. Today is a very special day. Nós temos a apertura oficial de a primeira edição de Special Olympics Kingdom Games. It's the official start of the first edition of our Special Olympics Kingdom Games. Com participação de no menos 120 atletas de Bonaire, Aruba, Corsau, St. Martin, Saba e Saint Eustácias. E naturalmente, tudo está claro preparado para outro aquirato de diferentes deportes. E depois de hobby preparação de parte de Special Olympics, em Debon, tem que head e todo partner com a sostener a organização de evento especial aqui, por fim o dia a chegar. Para atleta de Special Olympics, por intercambiar com outro e também demonstrar talento, força, coragem e habilidades deportivas. E para nós começar com a parte oficial de Special Olympics Kingdom Games, me quero chamar adiante nosso deputado de Deporte, Sr. Clark Abraham. Um aplauso.
Feliz dia. Em primeiro lugar, bom menina Bonaire, contente você ter. Você vai querer que momento para nós celebrar com o outro também, para nós intercambiar com o outro. Na vista, em primeiro lugar, que tem primeiro dia que eu organizar Kingdom Games dentro do Caribe, e pensei se awe, me que mira bolso também como atleta seguro, saca tudo por todo. mostra que vos tem também para competir com outro e conjuntamente compartir com nossos companheiros de todos esses países de Antillas, antes Antillas, lá vamos medicina. Romano, a nota é último dia, te começo para nós seguir intercambiar com outro, mas tanto dia de parte de Special Olympics. Nós estamos orgulhosos de portar a cuna e a sede para isso aqui, espero no futuro também você lo bem começo uma quantidade grande para conjuntamente com você romano por experienciar evento aqui com outro. Desfrutar, não olvidar, vana de participar, mas desfrutar também, fazer o máximo, vai per e também ser orgulhoso de você mesmo, para não ser orgulhoso de você 100%. Bom, éxito, Romano. Bom?
Muito danke, deputado Clark Abraham. Nós seguimos com o seguinte orador para a Wemeinta, o presidente de Special Olympics Bonaire, Rolanda Helberg Macay. La ganó se sigue con fuerte aplauso.
Dank je, Sherman. Bom dia, bom dia. Wow. Me tenho bisa, me quer saber me está mais emocionar com o atleta ng AWE. Por fim, o dia chega, maneira é maestra de cerimônia avisa que por fim o dia chega que o Bonaire porta anfitrião de magno evento assim aqui em Ribanos Isla. Para nós, é um honor receber cada de vosso Ribanos Isla, chamando vosso bom bini e também com esse man aqui foral ave começando ave para amanhã que vos não lotin estadia hopi placentero e também me quer bisa na atleta não corda e metata no pagana me saco vosso gusta visi e medalha pero e meta de weekend aqui tá para vosso ser conhecido outro disfrutar e também demonstrar vossa coragem e vossa habilidade. Me tenho bisa que essa aqui, Kingdom Games aqui, lo nota é promê ni é de laster. Para sombra conjuntamente com o Tenka Hat, nós sabemos acaba que saque tabay queda na Bonaire, los cada 2 anos, vossa lota nos anfitrionan, vossa lota nos visitantes para o Kingdom Games. Maneira ta conhecida ba Special Olympics tour anya ta organizar su Bonaire Games, pero ebia aqui eta bebira anya Bonaire Games e anya Kingdom Games. Me quero agradecer. Me quero agradecer tour maior nan, tour voluntário nan, tour supporter nan, prensa, Interbond, FKPD, Lions, nos deputados, nos bestuurscollegio, nos membros de raad, para sombra me queremos vos danki, para sombra tá junto, essa aqui abrirá possível, tá junto, essa aqui abrirá realidade. Me nota bem papel largo, me te desejar vos éxito, goza, have fun, maneira nossa bisa e nos lo topa aqui rato riba terreno. Bom, to all the guests, to all our guests from the different Special Olympics organization and islands, I'd like to welcome you and thank you in the name of Special Olympics Bonaire and all our athletes from Bonaire. Thank you.
Muito danke na presidente de Special Olympics Bonaire, Rolanda Helberg Macay. And our next speaker for today is Lorna Bell, the Executive Director, Special Olympics Caribbean Initiative.
Right, bon dia. And if I say that I am not overwhelmed, I'm not excited, I would not be speaking the truth. And so, It is with that excitement that I bring greetings from the other 16 Caribbean programs who would have loved to be here. Just watch your face media and you'll see your social media and you'll see exactly what is taking place on Facebook. So at this time, I just want to thank your IT here from Bonaire. Thank you for spreading the word. Everybody's getting the message that SO Bonaire is alive and well. 3 years ago, a gentleman that I met 20 years ago by the name of David Evangelista. When I took this job as Executive Director for Special Olympics Caribbean, he reached out to the Dutch government. I was nervous in that meeting, and I remembered it clearly, right? But today, I want to say thank you to the Dutch government. Thank you, David knocked on your door and you opened it. What a welcome we received here over the last 2 days. Can you imagine we are having the first Dutch Caribbean Kingdom Games in Bonaire? Neil, I do not know how to thank you, Neil, but I will just say thank you for your determination and your willingness to listen. Having the 4 Caribbean programs here is a testament that we in the Caribbean are willing to work with anyone so our athletes can showcase their skills on the play field, as well as have fun. And we have been having fun, Neil. Last night you turned it up for us. I've been here 2 days, and believe me when I say 2 extraordinary days. Rolando, Anne-Marie, and I'm happy I saw Arlene here this afternoon, both board chairs, national directors. What can I say? Let us keep the conversation going. Thank you for the short notice that we gave you, but you delivered. All I can say that this, Neil, is good leadership. You have brought us together. Excellent teamwork I experienced working with you folks over the last 3 months. SO Aruba, Curacao, Bonaire, St. Martin. Thank you all for supporting the Caribbean Initiative. From the start, you wanted to see positive change. Here it is. I have no doubt if we work together, the Dutch government will support, and we can look forward to these games every 2 years. My ABC Islands, it depends on us. I am here, my colleagues are here, and we are willing to support. Let us just focus on the mission. I am confident, and Dr. Dow, who is in charge of program development, will see not only positive growth, but quality growth from this region, all because of the first Dutch Caribbean Kingdom Games. To all our donors, volunteers, we need you. We are determined to work with you to make sure no one is left behind. Yes, Lions, thank you for the outpouring of your love this weekend. To my SONA family, under the guidance and leadership of Greg, thank you for having your team here, which is also a testament that you are working with us to build back the Caribbean big and better. We also have with us Krista. Where is Krista? right, from Special Olympics Europe Eurasia, we have Kristen Gillett and Kester Edwards from Special Olympics Sports and Competition Committee, who works very closely with us. The Harris family are with us also. Their amazing son walked in with which team? Saba. Great, awesome. They also have with them their executive director, Lara, right, good. And she is the executive director for the Timms Foundation. And guess what? They have committed to working with the Caribbean. Aren't we lucky? Aren't we blessed, folks? I'm encouraging you all, just please stay on the journey with us. As you can see, we now have a strong foundation so we can start the building back better. Right, Greg? You promised me that. God bless you all. One love, one heart. Together, we will be unstoppable. And remember, Caribbean, we are a winning team every time.
Thank you very much, Lorna Bell, the Executive Director, Special Olympics Caribbean Initiative. Y no siguiente orador como que llama adelante awe ta Niels Kanehiter, de Think Ahead.
So, welcome everyone. I will do it in English. Mashi danki for having us here, having me here. Public, welcome that you are here. Honored guests, welcome. I want to speak to you, to the athletes, because when we came in January to Bonaire, we had a dream. And that dream was to build the first Special Olympics Kingdom Games, bringing all the islands together in a unique event where we experienced the hospitality of Bonaire, but most and foremost, your sportsmanship, but also your inspiration. But for me, you're not just an athlete. For me, you are my muse. You are the muse of the sport organizers who wants to give you the best and the most fun experience that you can experience here in Bonaire. You are our muse, you are our inspiration. I know that some of you never stepped into an airplane. Some of you are for the first time from home, being here with your friends, with the friends from all of the Caribbean. So you are an inspiration for us, that there are no obstacles in life. Everyone has talent. You are living the dream by making such an event possible. So I admire you. You are the ones that inspire, I think, the whole Caribbean, maybe even the whole world. And I love to spread those sportsmanship with you. And I don't take time from you because you want to sport, you want to compete. And I know there is an athlete, he's running to here with our special flame of hope to enlight the fire of the Special Olympics. So thank you that we are making this possible together, and I'm humble that we did this especially for you.
Niels, masyadangkin na Niels Kanehiter. E maneira Niels acababisa, nos atleta Ruel está llegando ahora aqui, com a entorcha para assinar oficialmente nos iniciar com o Olympic Games. E no mesmo momento, me quer chamar também dilante nos presidente para que dependente para a apertura oficial. Ruel está llegando. Nos volanta para nos recibir. vini ku e antorcha pa asina no sende e candela pa Special Olympics. Kingdom Games. Ela vem acompanhar também para nos serviço na uniformado, aduana, corpo policial, brandweer e ICM.
Okay, so this will be a special moment, of course, because you know, as a Special Olympics family, we have Raul, our athlete, who wants to have his oath. He brought the flame of hope to the island, and now we want to take the oath as part of our athletes here.
Let's do it together, okay? Together. Together.
One, two, three.
Let women win, and I can win. Let's be the attempt.
Fantastic.
And now I declare the event open. Yes! Success to you all. Éxito. Disfrutar atleta nang. Ese ita mi máximo deseo para vos nan disfrutar y pasabong. Have fun and enjoy.
Me quero pedir turende para que dá para um rato mais, para assim nós dar respeito e honor na nosso himno de Boneiro, que lo vai cantar para a orquestra de Hofi Cultural.
Orquesta, vamos.
Suave viento, padre orgulloso, salir por la mar, pueblo humilde, sempre contento, y un conducta total vida va, pues la nostra cultura, pa sempre nos para nos cantar de boa harmonia. Tu Chico é que nos quedas. Traga-nos cultos, bolerianos, unidos canto, alça-nos voz. multiple afecto, unos así latinos, más que chiquito con su defecto. Los brasileños arriba todos.
Danke la orquesta de Hoffi Cultural. Y de forma aquí no se llega al final del programa oficial de AWMINTA. Y me quiero invitar a todos los que van a apoyar los atletas en diferentes canchas de deporte. Y gosta de día, atleta en hobby éxito. Un aplauso para vosotros.
Cuéntame